Greetings, welcome to Spice Box. We shall now look at how to make holiges. We shall now look at what we require to make holiges. They are coconut paste, maida flour, ghee, poppy seeds, Bombay rava, cardamom powder and jaggery. We shall now look at the methods for making this dish. First, we need to switch on the stove. We need to put in some water into this first. We should put the jaggery we have into this. We need to add in a little elaichi powder or cardamom powder, some poppy seeds, and then put in the coconut gratings. Once we do this, we need to shake it up a little like this. Now we need to switch off the stove and take it into a bowl like this. Shift the contents. We need to take this mixture aside and put it down till it cools down. We'll come back to it later. And before that, we'll take this bowl. Now, we need to take this flour and put it into this bowl. We need to add a little rava into this. Once we do this, we need to put some water into it and mix it. We'll take a plate and close this and see it after 3 hours. Now we shall open it. It's been 3 hours since we put this mixture. It's perfectly fermented now. We need to take this dough and make it into balls like this and put it into a plate. Now we take these balls, flatten it and then put in the mixture into this. We need to stuff it basically. We take it, put it in. Once we stuff it like this, we close it like this. Like this, you need to close it. Now we need to take these balls and basically flatten it out. Roll it out with a chapati maker. That is how we need to make the holige. Now it is time to switch on the stove. We need to take a polythene paper like this and put the ball here. Close the flap like this and roll it out with a chapati maker. Now we need to take this holige and transfer it onto the pan like this. Now we need to fry it like this, turn it around and then put a little bit of ghee onto this. Now this holige is ready. We need to take it and put it onto a plate. Now let us switch off the stove. See, hot holiges are ready for you to taste it. You can eat it with ghee or milk and basically enjoy it. Happy